Hey guys, alright, this video is going to be short, so let's just pay attention. There's a few news events that's going to be important this week, but for the most part, most of them are going to be whatever. So, very light news week, but it doesn't mean there won't be some stuff popping off like what happened last week with the feds coming out, or there was an announcement saying, hey, they're thinking about dropping interest rates. The moment that happened, the dollar dropped like a rock. Gold continued to shoot up. The Euro USD, AUD USD, and all the other USD, pairs against the USD shot up like a bottle rocket. Then you had the JPY, who hinted at the fact that they possibly will be raising their interest rates for the first time in a long time. So therefore the JPY pair shot through the roof. So those announcements can just pop out at any given time. But as far as scheduled announcements for this week, I think we're going to be pretty safe. So let's go through the news and then let's see what's happening. All right. So first of all, you have the euro coming out on Tuesday, and Tuesday is basically going to be the danger day. Okay. If you want the danger day, it's going to be Tuesday. Tuesday, for the euro, they have their CPI numbers, or what I call, and excuse me, I went to this festival thing yesterday and I got allergies now from the dust and dirt, but, I had fun though. It was nice. Anyway, the euro came out with their CPI numbers, or coming out with their CPI numbers, which is customer price inflation numbers, which is what I call it. They call it the consumer price index. And then they also coming out with inflation rates. So this is going to be very important to pay attention to. It could cause a little bit of sparking in the markets. Okay. And that's going to be around 3 a.m. on Tuesday. And then you have USD coming out on Tuesday also at 8:30, coming out with their CPI and inflation numbers. So this is going to be the banger. Matter of fact, I need to switch this to red because this is going to be vitally important. Okay, very, very, very bad. I'll leave that yellow actually. Let me turn this back yellow and make this one red. Rojo. Okay, so that is going to be the banger. Okay, that's the one to watch out for. That's going to be the dangerous one. Okay. All right. And then you have the CPI numbers coming out for another section or area of the euro, which is not that big of a deal. And then the US is coming out with their PPI numbers. So therefore production numbers. So basically that's it. Okay. So as far as news, that's it that I saw. Please always do your own due diligence because, at any given time, I could actually be wrong. I could have missed something, but just make sure that you do your own due diligence, to make sure that, what I share with you is just, what I saw. Okay. But, let's go here, to this section here and, go over. If you ever want to know, people ask, hey, what's your results? What have you guys been doing? You can always go to superezforex.com and then click on right here, join our signals group. Okay. And you'll see several tabs here, and you can always click right here on our results page. And you'll see I keep track of every week. At the end of the week, here's the results of each week. And then here's the final total for each week. So in the first month of January, as far as in the signal service, there was 37 winners, no losses, and 9,600 pips with Miss Jenny's live classes, which are twice a week. As far as the copycat, we had 62 wins and only 4 losses. Now, going to February, we had another amazing month where there was 16 winners and no losses for the month. Okay. Then there was 21,185 pips. So that's 30,000 pips as far as in Miss Jenny's group. And that's about 40 or 52 winners in 2 months with no losses. Okay, and then right here, you had about, there was another 50 winners and only 8 losses. So that would put that at, I think 112 winners and only 12 losses here. And then moving into this month, we had 9 winners, 9 winners and 2 losses so far. And then 10,000 pips here. So that puts this at, almost 30,000 pips, 32,000 pips, something around there. And then we had 31 winners and only, and I need to turn this green, sorry about that. We have so far 31 winners and 6 losses for the month of March. Now, again, last week was a very, very rough week. Because of the news that popped off last week, which was not scheduled or anticipated. So there's nothing you can do about that. It's just the way the markets are. Sometimes you have a surprising news. So we took a couple of hits last week, but that's not a big deal. We kept on moving. So overall, we are marching forward. So with 112, that make it 113. 113, that's 143. I always keep it over here. We're at 143 winners and 18 losses, basically, for the copycat for the year. Okay. All right. Now, if you want to join the copycat, you can. If you want to join the Signal Scoop, again, just click right here and then click right here to join. And then once you do sign up, then click right here to just log in and go through the tutorials, and you're good to go. If you want to join the copycat, you just go right here, click on the yellow tab, says copycat, and then you go right here. And it gives you an example of what it looks like where I'm taking the trade here. And then this is what yours would look like, even though this one will be orange, but it will. You'll see it just pop in here on your account. So your account will be here. This is me trading here. And you'll see exactly an example of how it works. But realistically, there's nothing for you to do. Just set it up and we'll do the work for you. Okay, so that's it. And that's on our website. So you can go to superezforex.com or you can go to supereasycopycat.com to get that. Okay, I told you guys this video was short and sweet. So I am out of here. And I will see you guys on Wednesday's class. Unless I do another video in the middle of the week, but realistically, outside of that, I will see you guys on Wednesday's class. Bring questions, and so I can bring answers. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Sunday.